in order to be able to test that our first index action works, where we're listing users in our database, we need to be able to have users in our database. And we don't have a web interface that allows us to do that yet. And so we need some other mechanism for doing that. And the way that we are going to do that is running Rails console or Rails C. And when we run the console, we have access to all the Rails environment, just like if we're trying to connect to it via the server. And so we can very quickly do something like user.create and give a name. Let's go John Doe. Give them an email address. John Doe at example.com. And a password, our super secure password. And we can see that when we do this, we get John Doe added to our database. Now notice the cool thing here, we also get to see the SQL that is generated by Rails in order to convert this user.create statement into the proper set of SQL statements, including doing a transaction, which we'll talk about later, to do this work. And we can look at this in more detail as we're thinking about the database stuff, but use the console as a way to see and understand the SQL that's being generated. So I'm going to just change this slightly so that we can have two different users in our database, and we'll see very similar SQL here. And now if we do user.all, we'll see our two users, and we can do user.count to access how many there are. We could do something like user.first or user.last and be able to access all of our elements in our database.